Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is sentence. What is sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Well, this line I have taken from the famous rhyme Humpty Dumpty. We can take some more examples like I go to school every day. The birds are chirping sweetly. The sun rises in the east. They all are the examples of sentence. So basically sentence is what? Sentence is some group of words which we put one after another and which makes a complete sense. A complete sense. That is called sentence. It is not like that we put the words one after another and doesn't make any sense. Then that is not called a sentence. Now, there are four kinds of sentences. What are they? Number one, assertive or declarative. Number two, interrogative. Number three, imperative. In bracket you can see I have written command or request. And number four, exclamatory. Now one by one I will explain the every kind. First of all, assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes a statement is called assertive sentence. For example, I go to school every day. So here this sentence is saying about an information. What is that? I go to school every day. So this is called assertive or declarative sentence. We also call it a statement, a simple statement. Number two, interrogative sentence. What is that? A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Example, where do you live? We have to put question mark at the end of the sentence and at the beginning we have to put either WH words or we can start the interrogative sentence by the verb directly. That I will explain later. So we can take some more example like where are you coming from or why are you crying? This kind of sentences. Number three, imperative sentence. What is that? What is imperative sentence? Let us see what is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called imperative sentence. Example, leave the classroom. You can see this is a command. Leave the classroom. Number two, please give me a glass of water. So please here we put to make it a request. So both command and request are called imperative sentence. Okay, now fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is that? A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. For example, what a shame. So shame here a strong feeling. Shame here a strong feeling. So this sentence what a shame is expressing a strong feeling which is shame and we put exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. Now let's do some exercise. What is there? Change the sentences as directed. Number one, this is my bag. Full stop. So this is my bag is an assertive sentence and in bracket I have written interrogative. It means we will change the assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. Is this your bag? Question mark. As I told you that we can make interrogative sentence either by putting WH words at the beginning or by putting the helping verb at the beginning. Like this is my bag. Is this your bag? Okay, number 2. I have 2 new dresses. Again assertive sentence, and we have to make it exclamatory. Wow! Exclamatory sign. I have 2 new dresses. Number 3. Will you come with me? Question mark. This is interrogative one and we will make it assertive. I will come with you. Full stop. Number 4. What a beautiful picture this is! Exclamatory sign. This is exclamatory sentence and we will make it assertive. This is a beautiful picture. Full stop. Last one. Will you go and shut the window? Interrogative sentence and we will make it command. Go and shut the window. Directly command. Go and shut the window. So this is how we can change the type of sentences from one form to another form. Okay, if you like this video, then please like the channel, subscribe it, share it, and if you are watching through Facebook, like the page, and you will get similar kinds of video regularly. It will definitely help you to improve your grammatical skill as well as your spoken.